Alaikum. Hello. I'm audible.
Oh, welcome, assalam, sir. You are
Okay.
clearly audible.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning. Where
Good
are you
morning. Good
from?
morning.
I'm from Dhaka University.
Okay.
I'm
Mashallah.
Sir Tanvir Rahman,
Yes.
the Department of Psychology.
Mashallah. Okay. Okay. Johanna, are you there? Brother Sadiq. Okay.
Yeah, Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum
I'm there.
salam. How are you, brother?
I'm fine. How are you too?
Alhamdulillah. You returned at Ghana or still in Hungary?
I'm still in Hungary.
Okay. Okay. Brother Abdul Kabir. Bello. Brother Bello, how are you?
I'm fine. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Welcome, sir.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Brother Santosh, still there? Okay. Okay. Brother Tinku Ikmal from Malaysia, right? Are you there? Dr. Boris. Where are you from? Dr. Boris? Oh, Cameroon, yes. Okay. Okay. Can I see you, Doctor?
Yes.
Okay. We will take 5 minutes maximum, another 3 minutes, then we shall start. Oh, okay.
Ready? There I come.
Okay. Okay. So, if you have any questions regarding different theoretical aspects of the structural equation modeling, especially AMOS, and until yeah, what we did yesterday, the confirmatory factor analysis and measurement model. You have 2 minutes, then I shall start today's session, inshallah.
Sir, I have a question.
Okay, yes, please.
Uh, in a summary table, there is a component of CA, ABE, CR, we know, but CA for CA refers to what?
Yesterday we okay, here in indexing, right?
Yes, index.
Is AIC or which one you are asking for? In summary table, in which summary table, brother?
Okay.
Maybe, excuse me, maybe it's convex alpha, CA, convex alpha.
Uh, where, brother? No, actually, I did not get your point properly.
Okay, I am sharing. Yes.
Okay, just a minute. I'm
Okay.
giving the permission. Okay.
in this table.
Yes.
Construct reliability and
Yes.
validity.
FL means factor loading. CA means
Yes.
yeah. How to present our CFA results? CFA means confirmatory factor analysis results. However, we say it is construct validity and reliability table, where we present the items and variables in one column. The performance is the variable name, and items is there 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the items, and this is the item loading or factor loading. And CA means Cronbach alpha, and CR means construct reliability, and AVE is average variance extracted. So this is how we present the result in a tabular form.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, we can start. It is already 10:06. Please stop your sharing, brother.
Yes.
Okay. You are watching my screen at this moment.
Yes. Yeah, it's clear. It's clear.
We shall start from our structural model. In the structural model, in CFA and measurement model, what we have done, the instruments suppose the indicators and variables that we are using in our model that are valid. Your items are valid, your constructs are valid, and they are reliable. They have the items has adequate internal consistency, and they have adequate convergent validity. And we have seen all our different variables through the discriminant validity, and we have checked is there any outliers or any abnormality in the data, or we have checked the multicollinearity. As soon as our all these criterion are fulfilled, then we go to the third step. Structural model is the third step, where we observe either our theoretically constructs are having any effect over the from exogenous variable to the endogenous variable, for which we create the structural model, where we test the hypothesis. Okay, all the steps are given in the slide. So for when you will practice at your home, if you follow the same my lecture slide, that will help you to proceed on. If you are missing any steps, if you check the lecture slide, that will help you. Here in a structural model, what we will do, we will check either our proposed hypothesis is significant or not. Here we will create the structural model. We will open the same measurement model. We will save as a structural model, or you can say any yes structural model analysis, or yes, structural model as a structural model. So then where from the measurement model we have the covariance. So we will delete the covariance related with the mediator and the DV. I shall show you practically. Then we shall make the relationship between IVs and mediator, and IVs and dependent variable, and mediator to dependent variable. Then we shall set the analysis criteria, the output that we want to observe. Then we will run the model and observe the result. Okay. So just open your go to the folder I have given to you, and workshop exercise. In the workshop exercise, you have many file right there.
Yes.
Okay, just click on the measurement model. just open this measurement model here in the last in your folder workshop exercise. Open it and your measurement model will open. We left our work over here last day, right? Okay, so this is the result we got in yesterday. This is unstandard, this is the standardized result. What will we do now? We will save as this measurement model as a structural model. Okay, go to file, and one of the options from the file is save as. Click on save as. Right, give the name the model, structural model, structural, structural model. Okay, then save. Please ensure that you are saving in the same folder, otherwise you will be in all other file you will not find here if you are saving in another folder. So in the last you will find the structural model here. Just select this one, structural model. Are you following?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, mashallah, mashallah. So what will we do now? We are now in a structural model. What we have to do is we will delete all the covariance from the satisfaction and performance. We will keep the covariance with exogenous variable like fringe, welfare and OS. These three covariance will remain the same, but we will delete the covariance related with satisfaction and performance. And how can we do this? We have these erase objects. We will take this one, and the covariance related to performance we will delete like this. When we will take this erase object over the covariance line, when it is highlighted, just click, it will then covariance will be deleted. Same like for from the satisfaction. Okay, just delete this and deselect it. Again, if you click on the erase object, it will be deselected. Is it okay? Everybody have done this?
Yes.
No, we are not done yet.
Okay, okay, please. Yes, for the first time it would be a little bit difficult to do this because you are not familiar. Once you are familiar, then it's very easy.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, please.
We are now proceeding from the after deleting 18 cases yesterday. Is it okay?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. Yes, I think there is a threshold. I think up to 30% maybe you can delete. So for 30% or 40% of outliers can be deleted from the data set. it allow. Oh, okay. So take this lorry and ensure that your preserved symmetry is selected, because we have to move our satisfaction and performance from this place to the right side. So I would like to show you which model we are going to create. We are going to create this model actually. Your satisfaction will remain here, the satisfaction, and performance will the down and right side corner, and satisfaction will be in the above and in the right side. And your exogenous variable wage, welfare and fringe will remain in the left side. So we will create the model like this. Just follow me as I have shown. If your preserved symmetry is selected, and if you take the lorry move object, then take to the satisfaction in the right, in the above, and take the performance in the right side. Okay, so we will move the performance indicators to the right side and satisfaction to the above for showing our for the beautification of our model. So how can we do this? We have one rotate the indicators of the latent variable. If you take this one and click over here, see it is in the above. Just keep it like this in the above, then we will make it, we will decorate it, no problem, and take this performance to the right side. Okay, and keep it like this. Take the satisfaction in the above items and performance in the right side, and here we can okay, now have you done? I need to give you time to do it. Maybe you're in person.
Yes, done.
Oh, okay, mashallah. Everybody done?
Yes.
Okay, mashallah. Now what will we do? We shall take to this level. Okay, now okay, so take it to the right like this. Satisfy, and we have,
I think it would be better if performance indicators are located
sorry, I came back, right? Are you now I am audible?
yes. Now audible.
Actually, yes, good morning. Actually, electricity gone, that's why I was cut off. I don't know, there is an announcement in the morning that maybe a whole day or maybe few hours, 3-4 hours here in our locality there will not be water and electricity. I don't know how long I can be with you. However, I shall try my level best to do all the steps, inshallah.
Sir,
Yeah.
my it's out of topic. Sir, how do you manage your work, sir, without this kind of power cut regularly?
It's very difficult, brother. It's only few months before there was no problem like this. Now, when the actually war of Ukraine started, then there is problem. Actually, our government do not go any permanent solution. That's the problem.
Bangladesh, right now, sir?
Yes, yes.
Uh,
If we could have any hydraulic electricity or actually quick rental system is this policy hampering our daily life actually.
okay.
Okay. Just I am sharing again. Okay. However, if I cannot do it with you, if I am for a long time I am off from you, then no problem. I shall when the electricity will come, I shall prepare another moderation, multi-group analysis, everything, and I shall upload it into in the YouTube channel. So you will not have any issue, inshallah. For and any stage of your PhD or if you have any issue, you can talk with me for doing analysis.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So what will we do now? We will take it like this. So what we have to do after doing this, we shall take this draw paths. Okay, take this one from ways to performance and welfare to performance and fringe to performance, ways to satisfaction, welfare to satisfaction, fringe to satisfaction, and satisfaction to performance. Make the line like this. And deselect this. Are you watching my screen? Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Take the this magic stick and click on everywhere, every variable, then it will show. Take the lorry again.
Channel.
Maybe you cannot do 100% perfectly. However, if it is for the first time, it is okay.
Sir, I just it's for beautification or is thing resolved.
Your sound is breaking, sister. I cannot hear you properly.
I'm saying that is it for beautification only or it has a like any difference in
I'm sorry again, your sound not clear, sister.
sir, am I audible?
Anybody hearing her properly? Can you explain?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, excuse me. He's asking, is it only for beautification or any other difference actually?
The result will come the same, but
Same, yeah.
yes, yes,
But it's just for beautification actually.
yes, exactly. It's look like professional.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is our main question actually, I think so.
Yes, yes. Okay, now what will we do? Just let's check.
Sir, Assalamu alaikum. Sir,
He said he'll be coming soon.
Okay. Once we have
Assalamu
done, we have done it, right?
Assalamu sir.
Yes,
Good
yes,
morning.
yes,
How
good
are
morning.
you?
Alhamdulillah.
Sir, my question is why we co-vary the exogenous variables in the structural equation modeling. Is it necessary to co-vary the exogenous variables and the structural equation modeling?
Actually,
Why we co-vary these exogenous variables?
actually, it doesn't have any significant changes if you delete all the covariances from the exogenous variable. However, I have seen my instructor and Professor Dr. Bahaman from UPM University Putra. He told that you keep the covariance with exogenous variable, and even I have seen most of the theses as well as in different books they keep the covariance with exogenous variable, so it is better to keep it, but however it will not affect to our result. Okay,
Sir.
it will not
Thank you,
affect
sir.
anything.
Thank you so much.
So covariance result will come together within the exogenous one. So what will we do once we have created our model like this? Now we shall create two residuals. This is called the residuals that we will create for two endogenous variable, that is satisfaction and the performance. These residuals we use to get the value of R square. So we shall use these two residuals. This is we will take this one. Please take this one. Click on here. These residuals will come and click on. If you single click, it is in above. If it is in second here, then keep it in the right. However, if you click on, it will move, just like child. But keep it into the right side and in the performance as well. Okay. Create the residuals in your endogenous variable. Okay. Now what will we do? Just deselect this. What we have to do now, we have to give the name, the error term to the residual. So how can we do? Go to plugins and name unobserved variable. Okay, your model has created. Now we shall give the analysis properties, what the results that we are expecting from our structural model. So here in the middle output, we will go to the analysis properties and we will go to the output view. In output, then we will select the indirect, direct and total effect. Indirect, direct and total effect, covariance estimation, correlation estimations, critical ratios for differences, and we need not to have this test for normality and outliers. Okay, and keep everything as it is. Okay, have you selected from analysis properties this?
Yes.
Okay, mashallah. Now just close this. So our model is absolutely okay for running to show the result, inshallah.
So another
Yes, please.
in measurement model,
Yeah.
there is a welfare. There is a high modification index between welfare 2 and welfare 3, E10 and E9.
Yeah.
So far I know. Welfare 2, welfare 3. Between welfare 2 and welfare 3.
Okay. It is showing in the picture, right?
Yes. Yes.
Actually, in the case of CFA, sometimes what happens, we make the covariance for getting our model fit. When we take the same variables in the measurement model, then we don't find any issue in the model fit, as well as in the indicators factor loading, AVE and covariance. In that case, I think no need to use any covariance between the items. It is better to keep it as fair. No for getting in the CFA stage, maybe it is required. In the next step, maybe when it comes with the other variables, then our model get fit. So in the measurement model, if it is getting fit, then no need of make the covariance. It is better to avoid the covariance. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, and now your model is absolutely ready to run. So just click on calculate estimates. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, our red button is highlighted. That means our model successfully run. Just click on there. So you will find that the result. Initially, we shall look at our fit indexes. Relative chi-square is less than 5. P value is less than 0.05. However, GFI, AGFI, it is not complying, but however the other fit indexes CFI, IFI, NFI, TLI are more than or equal to 0.9, and the RAMC, which is very important one, which is less than 0.08. We don't have any issue in the fit indexes. However, none of our factor loading, as we have deleted in some items in the CFA. So here you will not find any factor loading issues or AVE or multicollinearity that we have done in our previous steps. So here we will observe the result of our proposed hypothesis is significant or not. Okay, one thing I would like to show you, if your indicators, you don't understand which value is this, this 0.35 like this, it is the value of this covariance or the value of this relationship, the beta value of this relationship. So that's why if we have one move parameter values, you can by taking this one, you can move or if it is like this, it is the value of 0.12 is the value for this relationship OAs and performance. So keep it AOA so that we don't have any confusion. Okay, this is the value of this. So from the picture you can easily identify this is the value of this one, and this is the value of this one. So okay, okay, so which value of this 0.35, 0.30, 0.48 is the value of covariance, and 0.28, 0.29, 0.31 is the relationship between OAs and satisfaction, welfare and satisfaction, and the fringe and satisfaction respectively. So however, now it is okay. What will we do now? We will observe the result. This is called the beta value, the result in between OAs and satisfaction 0.28 and welfare to satisfaction 0.29. These are the beta value to 0.29. The beta value in between the satisfaction and the performance is 0.29. However, we shall observe these results in our view text. So how to present the result of the structural model or hypothesis result, that I shall show you.